Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Mac user, you've probably heard about Time Machine for backups. But today, we're diving into why Git Backup Pro might just be a better choice for your data protection needs. I'm going to be demonstrating with the Samsung T7 external SSD, as well as a Thunderbolt 5 cable. Now this is just an example. You can use any external SSDs that you would like, or hard drives for that matter, and of course you can use multiple drives as well. Now let's talk about backup types. With Git Backup Pro, you can choose between full, incremental, or differential backups, saving you time and storage space. Time Machine mainly focuses on incremental backups, which might not suit everyone. Need to sync files across devices? Git Backup Pro has robust synchronization features, making it super easy to keep everything up to date, something Time Machine just doesn't offer in the same way. And if security is a concern, Git Backup Pro has your back with customizable encryption options, providing an extra layer of protection for your sensitive data. Time Machine does have encryption, but it's not as customizable. Finally, scheduling. Git Backup Pro allows you to set up backups on your terms, daily, weekly, or even manual. Now you can make adjustments within Time Machine, but if you want them back up to multiple locations, the adjustments you make for one location will apply to all destinations. Not so with Git Backup Pro. So whether you're looking for customization, synchronization, or just more control over your backups, Git Backup Pro stands out as a powerful alternative to Time Machine. Let's go ahead and get the T7 connected. So as soon as it's connected, you should see over on the right-hand side of my desktop as it pops up. And there we go. Now I've just named it Git Backup Pro. So now let's go ahead and open the Git Backup Pro software. And you can see I've got a few jobs already running in there. Now let's go over how to actually set up a job. First, we're going to hit the plus down here at the bottom. And we're going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it Git Backup Pro. Say OK. And now we can come in here and configure how we're going to get it set up. So we can choose a folder, disk image, or a disk image encrypted. Now we do have to select the destination that we want to back up. So I'm selecting Git Backup Pro. You can create a new folder in here if you'd like to. For testing purposes, I'm just going to leave it open like this because we're just going to show that it backs up to the destination. Now you see it does allow incremental backups. So let's go ahead and go with that. Down here, we can go ahead and set a schedule. So click on this schedule, and then you can choose what you would like. I'm going to go ahead and go with daily, and then I'm going to set my times. And you always want to, of course, set it on times that you're probably not going to be using it. So for me, 1:30 a.m. should be good. Go ahead and click OK. Now we need to go ahead and select what it is that we want backed up. So we need to go down here, select File Plus, and then we're going to go ahead and tell it what it is we want to back up. So here's where we go to select where the item is that we want backed up. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this. And there it is. So now this is ready to go. Now again, this is just going to be a one-time backup for demonstration, but it will work as a schedule. So go ahead and hit Start for the backup. I'm not going to speed this up. It goes relatively quick, in particular because it's just one file. I think it's less than 2 gigs. Yeah, 1.4 gigs. So it's not huge. So it won't take very long. And there it goes. It has finished. So now let's go ahead and check on this. So we're going to minimize here. Let's go to our external drive. And there's the folder it backed up to. We go ahead and dive into that. It does create a few folder layers. And there is the item that we did back up. So we can go ahead and close that. And let's go ahead and open up Git Backup Pro one more time. And that was the project that we just ran. Now again, we did schedule it. So this is when it's going to go on its own every single day. You can always run a manual if you would like I just showed. And that's pretty much how you run it. Now Git Backup Pro is available if you go to this website. It is available for $29.99 or a free trial. However, if you do have Setapp, which I do highly recommend, it's from MacPaw, the makers of Clean My Mac. 1 monthly subscription fee, and you have access to over 200 different apps. You can come into Setapp and go ahead and type Git Backup Pro. And then you'll see it's available there. And I've already downloaded it on mine because I do use Setapp. And then you can just run it from there. But Setapp is great because, again, you have so many different applications and programs that you can add for just a low monthly fee. I would strongly suggest that you look at Git Backup Pro. It gives you more granular control over your backup options. And take a look at Setapp from the people at MacPaw. the makers of Clean My Mac. These guys are based in Kyiv, Ukraine, and they are still working there. Fully support all their efforts, and I can't imagine what they're going through. So let's show them some love. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews. Drop your question in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.